Hey everyone, it's Naturally Nija. So thanks again for tuning in to my channel, or if you are new to my channel, thanks. So what I am doing is starting to chronicle the whole food intake. I'm not calling it a diet, just food intake. And this is not just for me to have it on my social media platforms, but to also keep me accountable. So I'm going back to the things that have worked for me in the past. And one of the things that worked for me in the past is using one of my meals, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Usually it's a breakfast for my smoothies. I like a variation of smoothies. I try to test out different ingredients. I don't necessarily go too far out, but anyway, let me just stop rambling and tell you what's in my initial. So what I've learned is you always do your liquid first. So my liquid consists of low-fat milk. I do try to sometimes look at other milk options. The low-fat milk for me tends to work. I don't have an issue with cow's milk. So for me, I am using cow's milk, and then inside I already have my scoop of protein, and I have 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. I've had these flax seeds for a while. I'm trying to empty out my bag, and so I'm going to use up this week the rest of my little flax seeds. So as you can see, whole flax seeds, high in omega-3s. And then in my bowl, I've already prepared, I do put ice in here because I just try to make it colder, but I've already prepared 1/2 cup of blueberries. I have a little mix of raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries. That is 1 cup. And then I have a 1/2 cup of bananas that I've already sliced. And like I said, I put my ice in there. So we will go ahead and put it in. Right? So that's what it looks like. Today, I do not have what I call my roughage. My roughage is the kale and the spinach. I don't have it today, so the show will go on. I am going to put in my yogurt. Again, another protein source. It adds a sweetening to it. I do not add sugar to any of my smoothies, but I like this Activia Dannon probiotic yogurt. This is a very small cup. You can get it in the stores. It's only 4 ounces. Like I said, I try to just put that in there as an additional protein source. And when I count all of this up, I know it's under 500 calories, but I will put in the description the amounts that I use in the total calories, so that if this is something you're interested in, you can know exactly what I've used. So thanks guys so much. I'm going to add my yogurt, pulse it, and see how it is. If it's not thick enough for me, I will add a little bit of water, but not a lot. So thanks so much. It's Naturally Nija. Bye guys. All right, so I have blended everything. I did end up adding just a little bit, probably like a 1/2 cup of water to thin it out some. But as you can see, I still do have some left here, which I will consume. I like to use like bottles and things that I have, or glass containers that I've used for other purposes. As you can see, this is a tea glass, and it was like too cute to throw away. So I keep it and recycle it or repurpose it. And this tastes really, really good. I do feel like I'm missing my roughage, which I told you before is like my kale or my spinach or whatever other green fibrous stuff that I can add. But it tastes amazingly good. I can taste the sugar from the banana. I had raspberries and blueberries. I added yogurt. So I can taste the sugar. I'm going to plug all of this into my app and see exactly how much sugar I'm consuming, because I may have to table something back. I may have to change my yogurt. I don't know. But it tastes really, really awesome. Let's see if I can take my top off. And again, thanks guys for following me and just kind of tuning into today's video. So you can see it's really good. And that's the final product. So if you like this and you want more information, the description will have what I used and the measurements, and I will put in the info in my app so I can see my total calories and share that as well. So thanks so much. Naturally Nija. Peace out. Peace, 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 peace.